welcome to Monkey Art, and today we're gonna draw a superhero character. He's called Gekko and he's from a cartoon called PJ Masks. Woof woof, woof woof. And what color is he gonna be? He's gonna be all green, so we're gonna use different shades of green, and we're gonna use this crayon. It's skin color, but you can use all crayons if you want. Then we're gonna need one piece of paper, and we're gonna need a black marker for line drawing. So I'm gonna use this black marker, and also I'm gonna use this marker which has a little thinner edge. And guys, we can start. Okay, so let's start by drawing his eyes. So his head will be somewhere here, then his body will be here. Okay, and we're gonna start by drawing his eyes, and they look something like this. So we have oval shape, and we're gonna let's draw another one actually. And then we're gonna close it just like this, a little curvy line, and then we're gonna draw some eyebrows just like this, and another one, and this will be a little lower, and that way he looks cool. Then we're gonna draw a little tiny circle here, and a little bigger black circle around, and let's do the same thing here. So little tiny, and then another one around this one. Okay, a little bit more up. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this thinner marker to draw another circle around, because we need to color it later green. Okay, cool, so we have that part completed, and now we're gonna go and draw his head. Oh, actually, let's do first his nosy nose. Yeah, now he has nose, and we're gonna also draw his mouth, and you can draw it a little bit on this side so that he has some specific expression. Then we're gonna draw one little oval around his mouth, just like this. Okay, cool. And now we're gonna draw his head. So it's gonna be like shape of an egg, something like that. So I'm gonna put some dots just to see exactly where it will go. So this will be the top of his head, and here as well. Cool, so now we need to draw all the way around. Okay, I'm gonna start from here and go and then go up, 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 and then we're gonna go from here down, 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 down. Doesn't have to be exactly the same. Okay, but that's his shape, the shape of his head. And then he has a little thingy here on top of his head, just like this. Cool. Okay, so basically we have completed his head, and now we're gonna go down and draw his body. Okay, so first we're gonna draw his, let's say his arm. So I'm gonna start from here, go down, a little bit up, then we're gonna draw his little fist. So he is all strong and powerful. Okay, we're gonna go here, and we can put some few little lines so we can recognize it's a fist, it's a hand. Okay, and let's go and do the same thing on this side. So we need one line going down, and I'm gonna put here a shorter line because we need to draw his belly later. Okay, and then let's draw another line, and then we're gonna make his little fist. Okay, it's gonna go like this, then it goes down, and we connect it with this. Okay, and I'm gonna also draw some lines here, and that will be his hands. Cool, now we have two hands, and we can go down and create his little belly. Okay, we can draw here one line, just like that, and then we're gonna draw here as well one line, just like that. So he has position of a hero, superhero, and then we're gonna make a little dot or a line here, so we just know where his foot will land. Okay, so somewhere here and somewhere here, let's say there. Okay, cool. Okay, now we have that part completed, and we can draw his little leg starting from, let's say, here. Okay, it's gonna go like that, and here as well. It's gonna go up, so we have one leg. Now we're gonna draw another one here, so it's gonna go down, 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 and also here down, 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 and then we're gonna draw his foot or his boot, just like this. And there we go, we have one foot completed. And then we're gonna go to this side and do a similar thing. Okay, cool, looking nice. And now we can add some details. He has some shapes just like this on his boots, and then he has some marks just on the knee parts, and here as well, something like that. And he also has cape because he's a superhero. So we're gonna draw his cape somewhere here. Okay, and then in the back you just need to draw one little line, and maybe here as well, and then you can draw curvy lines just like that, as you like. And I'm gonna also put some lines there as well. Cool, he looks cool. And he also has some shapes here to protect his elbows. This part is a little bit thicker than I wanted, but it's fine. Okay, and yeah, he also has some shape here. I'm just gonna draw it like a oval and put two little shapes like that. Okay, we're gonna make it look simple. Okay, and cool guys, now we can go and color it. So I'm gonna use first, I have many green colors. I'm gonna start with Doggy, you wanna pick? Oh sure, I wanna pick. Let's start with this little one. Thank you, Doggy. You're welcome, Teacher Dan. So Doggy said we're gonna use this one first. Okay, so we can use this one for coloring. Let's see. Okay, let's start from his face. Then we're gonna color his body with the same color. And for some other parts, we're gonna use lighter and also darker green. Okay. Okay, let's go all the way around, just like that. And then below his eye, and above, just like that. Let's color this part as well. Okay, then we're gonna use okay, let's finish with this one first. Okay, then we're gonna use lighter green for his eyebrows. He's all green, and also this part. That, and then we're gonna we can use this light color for his eyes as well, so they will be really bright. Cool. And I'm gonna use this crayon and color his nosy nose and his this part of the face all around his mouth, just like that. Okay, this one, nice. Okay, now we're gonna go down and use the same color to color his body. Okay, and then maybe we're gonna color cape with darker green. Okay, and also let's color his legs. Just like that. Okay, and this side as well. And we're gonna leave these parts on his knees. We're gonna color that with darker green. Okay, and this hand I forgot. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna use. Oh, actually, he had a tail as well. I forgot to draw that. He has a little tail going here, but now it's finished. Okay, we're not gonna ruin our little drawing. So we're gonna color, actually this is not very dark, let's use this one. We're gonna color these parts of his legs. Okay, and this one. So it's a little bit darker green, and also the bottom part of his boots or shoes here as well. And you can use some other color if you want, but I use green because he is a green superhero character. I'm gonna use then this light blue, light green to color this part here. And then we're gonna use this one to color his cape. Okay, so we go all the way down, and then color this part. Okay, and here as well. Cool, he's looking awesome. Maybe I'm gonna just add here a few lines and make this a little bit brighter, just like this. And there we go, guys, we have finished our green superhero character called Gekko. And actually I'm gonna color this one. And yeah, that's why he has that little tail, but now it's too late to add it. It would ruin the drawing. Okay, so we have finished him. He's looking awesome. What do you think, doggy? Woof, 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 woof. He's super green superhero character. Yeah, you're right. He is. And he is also finished. So we're gonna give it, oh, look, green check mark for green superhero. And we're gonna also give it a little heart because we love our little drawing. And see you next time, guys. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.